Welcome to the Identifix Direct-Hit Mobile Application Search and Add Vehicles video. In today's fast-paced automotive industry, having the ability to swiftly search for repair and diagnostic information on any vehicle is important for efficient operations and exceptional customer service. The Direct-Hit mobile application is designed to meet these needs, providing you with multiple ways to add vehicles and access the information you require anytime, anywhere. In this video, we will explore different options for searching and adding vehicles to the Direct-Hit mobile application. Once you log into the Direct-Hit mobile app, the vehicle's screen displays. For the first-time user, this screen is initially blank, but as you add vehicles, the app retains the list of vehicles for easy access. To add a vehicle, click on the plus icon. Multiple options for adding a vehicle appear on the screen. We will look at each option in this video. Let's start with the select make or model. To add a vehicle using the vehicle's basic information, tap on Select Make or Model and select the vehicle year from the list. Next, select the make, model, trim, and engine of the vehicle you are adding from the respective drop-downs, and tap Add Vehicle. The vehicle dashboard then displays multiple options and functions you can perform related to the vehicle. To add more vehicles to your Direct-Hit mobile app, you can either tap on the car icon or press the back button on your mobile device to return to the vehicle screen. From here, follow the same steps mentioned earlier in this video to add another vehicle. Alternatively, you can use the Capture VIN or Type VIN options to add more vehicles. Now, let's look at the Capture VIN option to add a vehicle. The permission request pop-up appears requesting your permission to access your mobile device's camera to capture the VIN. Click Allow on iOS or Next on Android. And if applicable, select the desired permission option you wish to grant to this app. Next, snap a picture of the VIN and tap on Use Photo or the checkmark. You can find the VIN on the driver or passenger door jamb or documents, such as repair orders and invoices. The app then decodes the VIN, auto-populates the vehicle information, and displays the dashboard. After decoding the VIN, if any required information is missing, the app prompts you to enter the information. Then, tap on Add Vehicle to view the dashboard. Now, let's look at the Type VIN option for adding vehicles to the Direct-Hit mobile app. To begin, tap on the plus icon and select Type VIN. Next, enter the 17-digit VIN and tap Submit. The app decodes the VIN and displays the dashboard. If there is any missing vehicle information, it prompts you to enter that information and tap Add Vehicle to view the dashboard. That completes our video on search and add vehicles in the Direct-Hit mobile app. In the next video, we will explore the Direct-Hit mobile application dashboard. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, go to identifix.com.